as Seattle Formula Drift.
Yo.
But not for compete. We're gonna do some ride-alongs, demos.
Exactly the same.
What up?
Welcome back to
Thank you.
Expecting you.
Glad that you're gone because I was tired of watching you suck all the time.
Hey, go on, man. Wow.
Welcome back. We missed you.
I know. That's what I want. That's what I wanted to hear. What a dick.
I'm tired of watching you qualify 30 seconds and 30
I never done that, man. What the Getting ready for the first demo. Got the BRZ out. The next will be 86.
Oh, is it? Yeah, I got room, man. Alright.
The last minute problem, but Chris is fixing and it'll be 100% ready. Right? Right. It's not competition, but kind of getting me nervous for some reason.
Alright. You're welcome.
Alright, so we are doing a raffle for the rides. We're gonna pick what, two winners?
Two winners, yep.
Okay. Yep, so we did the Instagram giveaway and then also here. Hey, thank you guys for coming out. Am I gonna pick two winners?
Yeah,
Alright,
yeah.
let's do it.
First one
Is 70076.
76.
76. Oh, congrats.
First one. And the next one.
94. 94. Oh, congrats.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Session 2. Let's do it. Day 2 at FD Seattle. So yesterday went really well. We had 2 sessions. Car worked really good. Had a good drifting. Kind of relieved because first event we had a little issue with the car. But we have another session today and that's it. And we got some car show coming up. We'll do some judging as well. So looking forward for it. Oh man. We wanted to get the car out, but sprinkler just came on. Oh, it's gonna be wet. Oh yeah. What a deck.
Hi, oh, Oh, you're not running. Oh, so sorry. You suck anyway.
Wow.
That second outside zone, Forsberg not being shaken. Now into that third outside zone, through the power outlet goes Jonathan Hurst. Forsberg right there, let's see how they handle this transition. And gets right to the side of him, then brings it home. Big angle there from Hurst.
Big wall hit.
Yeah, massive wall smash. Really, you don't really have a sandwich if you don't start with 2 pieces of bread. I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm just hungry, I guess. Yeah. Like Jared says, let's eat.
Let's eat.
Here we go. Kyle Mohan is going to throw it down. Where is Ryan Turk? You see Mohan. Looked like Ryan Turk was maybe kind of saying, hey, I'm going to pedal back here and see how it happens. But might have given him some, whoa, buddy. That might have, again, don't want to make claims. Wow. Mohan goes obviously off course. Let's take a look at it. Get that overhead view. Ryan Turk applies the pressure. Okay, let's back that one up. Let's back. Some craziness just happened there. I was like,
Here is the car show portion that Pit and Paddock is holding, thanks to you guys. And then I have to pick one car that I like. So
Yeah, Di's pick.
yeah, so I'm gonna walk around and find my favorite. No, this is one of my favorite cars for sure. And those are drift cars.
There's some really nice Hondas here too.
Yeah.
This whole line, they're all real nice.
This one is not a Honda though.
No, it's a Harlequin.
Dude, this is dope. This is dope.
They also with K20, I believe, right?
Is it K20?
Yeah. That car?
Oh, it is, huh?
Yeah. Case lock?
Oh, it's cool.
That throws you off.
That's a new move right now. Case lock. This thing's got. I just sold my 3rd gen.
Oh, very JDM style.
Yeah, with the LXZs in the front.
Yeah.
It works in the rear. I also really like this Datsun with a S2000 swap in.
Okay.
This Honda Fit's pretty cool. It's got Motons on it.
Let me see the cage.
Yeah, it's
All
got
right,
Motons
all
on
right.
it.
Wow, super clean. Okay.
Very, very nice.
Nice. This is yours?
Yep.
Cool, man. Oh, you got a nice hat. Extra
Yeah.
point right there.
Yep.
You drift?
All the time.
This is really cool and nice. This is my friend Johnny's car. It's always nice. Thanks for coming out. And I picked the Blazer SS. Great job. I really like your build, man. Thank you. It's really clean. Super dope. Hold on. Give me. I got you, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you.
That car looks like nobody.
Technically BRZ and A86, but it's August 6th, so 86 day. Can't wait to see how's that gonna come out. All right, that was a good weekend. No, I have another event, but FD Seattle is a wrap. Got a good ride-alongs, got good car show showing my BRZ and 86R. Anyways, from now we're gonna just go back to the grandstand and watch this Formula drifting, right? Yeah. Can't wait for my beers. What's up, Bucky?
What's up, Di?
How are you?
I'm just seeing if I can fit in this seat.
You could. Yes, skinny boy.
Oh yeah.
But it's on the wrong side.
It is. But you should be able to get used to right away.
I'm always nervous about driving right-hand drive just because of the money shift, you know?
Money shift.
The wrong, the pattern. You know?
Oh,
the
and then you
pattern's
might
the
do
same,
like
but the force, you know, it's different.
Right.
I did a tarmac event in a car that was right-hand drive, and going from second to third was always a little nervous for me.
Yeah. It could go first, right? Instead.
Yeah. So
That'll blow up the motor.
got to be nice to the equipment.
Yeah.
I am actually building a carbon fiber wide body now that I have plans to possibly do electric, you know, so
Oh wow.
that's the game plan.
Wow, that'll be interesting. Cool. So are you guys just hanging out all day or?
Just hanging out, making rounds. I'm gonna go hit up the rallycross course. You should go check it out.
Okay.
Maybe jump in the car with Brandon Semenek.
Okay, where is it?
It's about a 4-minute walk over there.
4-minute walk, okay.
We're the largest.
There you go.
Thank you. Oh, don't forget signature.
Yeah. Super dusty. Okay, that's a wrap. Got a little dusty myself, and also my BRZ is super dusty. Can't wait to wash and can't wait to get a shower. But yeah, it was a great event, great weekend overall. FD Subi Fest. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Jenny.